Good morning, children.
How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, I am Miss Rinsha. You can call me Rinsha ma'am.
Hello, I am Miss Nayana. You can call me Nayana ma'am.
See, all of you stand up. Are you standing now? Yes, very good. Okay, now we have a warming up activity. Let's do together.
Okay, ma'am. Are you ready, children? Are you ready, children? I can't hear. Are you ready? Okay, then please join with us. Walking, 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 ha, 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 ha. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop, now let's stop. Hip, hop, hip, hop, hip, hop, hip, hop. Jump, 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 jump. Swimming, 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 swimming. Now let's sleep, now let's sleep. Okay, children, wake up. We can go very fast. Walking, 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 walking. Ha, 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 ha. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop, now let's stop. Did you enjoy this ride?
I think all of you enjoyed this ride. Can you see something here? What is it? Yes, it's a teddy bag. There's a surprise for you. You want to see what is inside it?
Can I take it out? Children, can I take it out? Can you hear any sound? Okay, I will give you some clues. Okay, listen to the clues and tell me the answer. Okay, have you seen an animal with long trunk? Yeah, I can hear some answers. Who said it's an elephant?
Yes, it's an elephant. Okay, do you like this animal? Which animal is this? Yes, it's an elephant. Okay, see, I am going to call her one name. Let's call her Ellie the elephant. All of you call her
Ellie the elephant.
Okay, see, can you see this elephant in the home or in your school? No, we can't see elephant in the home or in the school. We can see elephant in the forest, zoo and some festivals. So which all are the places we can see elephant?
Forest, zoo and some festivals. Okay, children, do you like to ride on an elephant? Did anyone sat on the elephant and had a walk with her? Children, please look at the picture. Our Rinku and Minnu riding on an elephant.
Okay, so do you like this elephant? See all of you, look at its trunk. It has a long
Trunk.
It has a
Long trunk.
What is this? What is this?
Trunk.
See, all of you look at its ears. It has two
Big ears.
What about its feet? How many feet it has?
1, 2, 3, 4.
It has
Four
four
legs.
huge feet. See, all of you look at its tail. Oh, it's very thin. See, it has very thin tail. What about its eyes? It's also too small. See, once more I will tell. Okay, so elephant has very long trunk, two big ears, four huge feet. How is the elephant walking?
Stone, stone, stone.
All of you do like that?
Stone, stone, stone.
And the elephant has very thin tail. Its eyes also too small. Okay.
Okay, children, do you like this Ellie the elephant? Okay, it is in front of you. See, our Rinku and Minnu, while riding, they're singing one rhyme. Okay.
See, I will read this rhyme for you. An elephant is big and fat. As she walks
About this way and that, she sways her trunk from side to side.
and gives us all a jolly good ride. See, we can sing this with the action. Okay, all of you touch your ears. An elephant is
Big and fat, she walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride. Okay, children, once again we can sing this rhyme. Okay, please join with us with action. An elephant is big and fat. She walks about this way and that. She sways her trunk from side to side and gives us all a jolly good ride. Did you enjoy this rhyme?
I think you all enjoyed this ride. Very good. See, all of you take your textbook and take page number 8. Tell your mother to take. See, here it is to write. So you had to learn this rhyme with help of your parents and learn yourself and send a video to your ma'am. Do you do that? Very good.
Okay, children, it's the activity time for you. All of you ready with your pencil, eraser and the paper. Okay, today ma'am will teach you how to draw an elephant very easily. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, take your paper. First, we can draw a small circle like this. Did you draw the circle? Okay, now we can draw the body of the elephant. For that, you can draw a big circle below this face.
What if you draw the big circle?
Did you draw the circle? Okay, here this unwanted line we can erase. Okay. Did you erase the line? Okay. After that, we can draw the ears of the elephant. Okay. For that, we can draw two small circles on the face.
Small circles you have to draw.
Did you draw the circles? Okay. Then again we want to erase these unwanted lines like this. Did you erase the lines? Okay, children. Next, we can draw the legs of the elephant. How we can draw? Like the ears, we can draw two small circles.
Two small circles you have to draw.
Like this. Okay. Then, we can draw two straight lines like this. Did you draw the straight lines? Okay. Take your eraser and erase these lines. Did you erase the lines? For the nails, we can draw small circles on the straight line. Like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, children, did you draw the circles? Okay, after that, we can draw the eyes of the elephant. How can we draw the eyes? Two small circles we can draw. Did you draw the circles? Okay, children, now we can draw the trunks of the elephant. How we can draw? You must draw two slanting lines like this. Then you can join these two lines with a straight line like this. Did you draw the line? Okay. Now we can erase these two lines. Take your eraser and erase it. Okay. Now the trunk is ready. Next one, we can draw the tails of the elephant. How we can draw?
Elephant very thin.
Thin. Yeah, we can draw a thin tail like this. Okay, now our elephant is ready. Okay, children, you can color it as per your wish. Okay, you must practice it in your home and send to your ma'am.
Are you happy now? Okay. See? Okay.
Bye bye. Have a good day.